Hello guys, welcome to MyGo Minds. In today's video, we are going to learn a React application, which is nothing but whenever user clicks on particular mobile image, it need to display the mobile details. For this project, we need to use three components, which is mobile.jsx, mobile.css, and one more is main.jsx. Now we are going to know about output of this program. So this is the output for our program. So here we displayed one Vivo mobile, Apple iPhone as well as one Redmi. So whenever I click on this Vivo mobile, it need to display a Vivo image along with the price and futures. In the same scenario, when I click on this Apple iPhone, it need to display a title of that mobile image, price as well as futures. A same scenario for Redmi mobile. To get this output, we are going to write a code in ReactJS. Now, we are going to discuss about this. So, let us consider we have three components. One is mobiles.jsx and next one is main.jsx and one more is mobiles.css. These three components we are going to use in this program. Now, so we have images folder. Under this, we need to give three mobile images. Redmi, Vivo and iPhone, Apple. Now we need to use a components folder. Under this we have mobiles.css, mobiles.jsx. So now we are going to explain the code under mobiles.jsx file. Now we need to understand the folder structure of our program. So we have src. Under this src, we need to create two folders. One is a components and next one is images. So under these images, we need to upload three images related to our mobile, and we need to create one more folder called components. Under this component, we have two files. One is mobile.css and next one is mobile.jsx. Now we are going to understand code under mobiles.jsx. First of all, we need to create a functional component. So here, this is a functional component with a name called mobile app. At the end of this program, we need to export our component. Export default mobile app. Now, under this, we need to write one output statement by using useState hook, which is used to maintain the state of our application. So here we give the default value as an input for this state is null. So here selected mobile is a variable and selected mobile is a method. Now we need to write one collection to display the details of our three mobiles, right? So here I declare one collection with the name mobiles. Under this we have three objects. This is a one object, this is a one object, this is one more object. And here I need to give the name of that particular mobile and image, Vivo. So this is nothing but here I imported that particular image. Import Vivo from the particular images folder under this image. So here I need to import it and I use it with the image with the name called Vivo, and I need to give the static price as $5,500, and now we need to display some futures. So in this object again we have one array. In this array we have multiple futures of these mobile. In the same scenario, we are going to give three objects along with three mobile details. So this is our collection. So these details need to display in our browser, and now we need to return something which is nothing but a design code. So in this design code, we need to open starting and ending empty tags. Starting and ending empty tags. So within these, I displayed one div tag and give the name called mobile list. So under these, we use one object. So we have the mobiles, which is nothing but our collection name. Mobiles is the collection name. So here we can fetch by using the array method called map. Mobiles.mapof. So what is a map method? In the sense, it is an array method is to get data from the collection. It can create a new array and stores the data in it. So mobile start map of. So here we give the name of this parameter is mobile, and here we declare the index of that particular element. Now we need to use one div tag here. Here we'll take a index value. So it will be considered based on index. We can search the mobile item. So here we use image src equal to mobile dot image. Mobile dot alternate is nothing but mobile dot name. So whenever if this functionality will works right, we need to display the image of that particular mobile as well as alternately if image is not found, we need to display the mobile name. So we need to add a functionality. It's nothing but first of all we need to display as input of as mobile name and image name like this. So initially we need to display mobile name and image. For that we use a map functionality and we get those details from the collection. And now whenever user click, this is a event handler, whenever user click on that particular image, it need to display this functionality, like it need to show the details of that particular mobile along with the mobile name. Now we need to take one more object here. This is to fetch the data from the collection, and now we write a code to get the data. Whenever user click on this particular image, we need to show some data, which is nothing but we need to display the mobile name, and we need to display the mobile image, and also we need to display the price of that particular image, and we need to display some features. So for that we need to add a method called selector mobile. So for this variable and these entire details we need to display whenever user click on that particular image, and we need to fetch the data from selector mobile. Now we need to display the features of that particular image, right? So for that whatever the features we write, right, that should be we have included within a array. So to get these details we need to use a one more array method is nothing but a map. So here it display the features in a h4 tag. Now we need to show these features in an order list, like, so we need to fetch our data from selected mobile because the final output of this project will be stored in this variable. So this is our output variable, this is our output method, right? So here we get the data from selected mobile dot features. So here we have a name property called a features. We need to, first of all we need to select the data from mobiles. Under this we have a features. So the features data in the form of an array. So we can't fetch the data from array directly. For that we need to use a map functionality to get each and every element. So for this we passes to one parameter, nothing but a feature, and we given an index as a number of values. So here we need to display the list of items under the features what we have. So if you consider the index 0, then the features we got a mobile called Vivo. So if the index is 1, we got the features of iPhone. If the index is 2, we got the features of Redmi mobile. So finally whenever user click on this, right, we need to display a mobile name, image, price as well as the features of that particular image. And finally we need to export our component. Now we need to add some styles to showcase our output in a better manner. For that we go to a mobiles.css. So here we use a class as a selector. So already we are given the class name mobile list. So here, so we'll given the class name of this particular division tag is nothing but mobile list. For that we are going to apply some style, display flags, justify content, space between, and align items in center. So to display our output in a center, and we need to give some space between each and every image. For that we use some of the CSS in this program. And next we need to use a gap called 20 pixels, and we need to flex basis of 30%. And now This is for mobile list. Now we need to define some CSS for mobile item, which was defined here. So this is a class name what we given to fetch the details. Whenever user click on that particular image, so we are going to see some output, right? For that we use a class name called selected mobile. So here we need to add the details for each and every. For that particular item we need to give text align is center, margin is a 10 pixel, padding is a 40 pixel, and the background color of this is a blue color. So if I change this into pink, so then the output will change. It will become into the pink color. So based on our requirement, we need to add the CSS and enter width of our image is maximum 100%. So this is about our program. So when we execute this, so go to terminal, command prompt. Here we need to change our directory and we need to write a command npm run dev. So click on this hyperlink and this is the output of our program. So now initially this is, and I click on this image, I need to get the particular mobile price as well as futures. So in this way we are going to do a small project in ReactJS by using a concept called mobiles project. So here in this project we used one array method which is nothing but map, and we seen the data stored in a collection, and we imported some images which are required to showcase in our application. So this is about our output. Now to do this project and further more updates, please follow, subscribe and share. Thank you.